Good morning, guys. Another day, another adventure. Today is Sunday. I just returned from my 4th of July weekend in Eastern Washington, and today is my friend's birthday. So we are going down to Tacoma to go to this really exciting petting zoo where we can, I feel like I've been going to a lot of petting zoos, which has been really fun. But this one is super spectacular because they talk about having more exotic animals, like not your average like goats and pigs and horses and stuff, which I'm about, but like I'm hoping that they'll have otters today. They've talked about having otters like on their site before, but I know it's going to be a fun time. We're going for my friend's birthday, and so we'll also be getting some food and doing some other fun birthday stuff, I think, in Tacoma. So today might be a fun Tacoma day. But before we do that, me and Brittany are going to the Glossier store. Seattle had a pop-up Glossier store, which is like a makeup company, Glossier store in Capitol Hill, and today is the last day of their pop-up. So the plan is to go and check it out real quick. I've never used anything from Glossier, so I thought it'd be fun just to, you know, get in the hype and go to like a little pop-up store of a makeup brand that everybody talks about online. So I thought I would go check that out. And yeah, today's the last day of the pop-up, so that kind of works out wonderfully. So we have just enough time. That opens at 11. Brittany's making a cobbler, so whenever her cobbler's done in the oven, we're gonna head to Capitol Hill.
Sorry. Sorry.
And nope, not waiting in that line. Oh my god.
Oh, it's so sleepy.
We'll go here instead. 4 blocks of food trucks. Ooh. It's just a sandwich and your boobs. I got a sushi burrito. I've had these before, they're really good. Oh yeah. I should learn how to make these at home. I feel like it'd be easy to make. Thank you. What kind you got?
Lava flow, so it's coconut, pineapple, and strawberry.
Gotta, you know, get it for the gram. We got 3 bibimbap tacos. Beef, chicken, and tofu for me, of course. And they look really good, and Brittany sauced them up nice and thick. Alright, Brittany says black truffle first.
I would go for the black truffle.
That one was really spicy. I need a mild one.
Yeah, totally.
Okay, the spiciest one.
There you go.
Thank you.
Would you like your receipt texted to you?
No.
Okay, you're all set.
Thank you.
Oh god. That really spicy one did clear out my nose. Had to go for the mildest one as a palate cleanser. So we're back in the car. We are heading to our houses to get birthday supplies, more cameras, wrangle the folks, and then we'll be heading to Tacoma, right?
Yes. All of the animals.
All right, we got homemade, Brittany made cobbler, birthday present. Brittany also found on Buy Nothing that there was a wedding, and so we're gonna go fill up some growlers with some beer. Do you know what kind of beer it is?
Rainier and some sort of IPA.
Not bad. Plans for a birthday party. So the people that we found from Buy Nothing had a wedding, and they had all these leftovers, so they gave us some compostable forks and hot dog buns and paper plates. Because we were like, yeah, we're going to a birthday party. And this stuff will definitely get used up at our friend's house. He constantly has people over, and it's barbecue season, so that was so nice.
The dinosaurs in Florida.
The whipped cream, the dinosaurs on vacation in Florida. The whipped cream turned into the US. Happy birthday, and happy birthday, America. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
You ignore him, he will come right after you.
You're doing a good job.
As I said, he is 4 months old, about 7 feet tall. Look at the capybara.
Bubbles and chips.
Bubbles and chips.
So cute.
He likes the camera.
You cannot eat the camera.
Bring back? Fantastic.
Oh my goodness, you're so precious. No! Move its mouth. That's what I meant to say. Ow, you got my finger. Can I pet you? Yeah. I want to pet your back. I dropped it. Oh, they are soft. Hi, honey. Man pets. Can I feed him with this?
Oh, please, please, yeah. It's real slow. Like, he takes forever to eat.
Come here. You want some more?
Oh, do you want to go back, sir? You want to go back home? Or you want some, oh, you want some more lettuce? Get some
More
lettuce out there.
lettuce. Was my piece not good enough for him?
Maybe see if he wants
You want
more
some
lettuce.
crunchy bits?
Oh, that's what he's looking for. There we go. Hi. Oh, we got another little one. Hey. You got a little piece of lettuce for this other ferret?
Ooh, maybe we can make him do like, what is it?
Needle thing?
Yeah,
know what that is.
From Lady and the Tramp, where they
Oh, the
eat
noodle thing. I heard needle. Yeah. Oh, there you go. What's your lettuce?
Just all 3 of them chewing.
I mean, no. Little armadillo.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at him. Is he sleeping? Or is he cleaning? Hi,
I'm still coming back for sloth days.
So yeah, you can pet her definitely on her back. Her name's Malia and she's 9 months old. Cool.
Oh my gosh, surprisingly soft.
Yeah,
Very soft.
And before all the like long claws. When did they
Yes.
start to like get the claw? Like,
Oh no, she has sharp claws. I have-
oh my gosh, I didn't even see these.
Yeah, I have scars from her scratching my
Oh, so
face.
these